October 7th, Stock Playbook. This is Dave Dispinet, a little sample of what we do nightly for our subscribers. Dow Jones closed down 20 points, 0.2%. NASDAQ Composite was the big loser, down 27 points, 1.1%. S&P 500 was off just shy of 10 points, 0.8%. Getting up towards that declining 50-day moving average, which should act as resistance. We might shake through it a little bit just to try to set a little bull trap, but ultimately, I think we go lower. What do you look at? SPXU. That's the play. It's pulling back down into that range again. Today at one point you had an opportunity. We said the 18.25, 18 level. We drop down to 18.21. Rally closed the upper end of the range. I still think you might get a chance to get it below 18, but ultimately, whether you own this thing at 17.5 or 18.25, it's not going to matter when we run the 23.24. This is a trading vehicle. We're in a range. We continue to think this is the best way to trade it. Win, WYN. We had a nice short on it, made some money. We said if it rallies back up to that 135 area, great entry, great level to re-short it. Got to 138 almost today. Should be in there, and now you use the 145 level as your stop loss level. We're going to be looking at Bank of America. As we said last night, if the financials don't take a leadership position, I don't think the market's going to have any more momentum to the upside. All of the banks pulled back today. Bank of America, J.P. Morgan, Citigroup, you name it. We're going to be looking at J.P. Morgan next Thursday. They're expected to come out with their earnings. All eyes are going to be on these financials to see how they report. ZAGG, Z-A-G-G, one that we've liked for some time. Had a nice pop. Let it pull back towards that 10.5 level. Kramer had the CEO on last night. I thought it was a pretty good report. I like this company going forward. I think any opportunity to buy the stock around the $10 level should be had. But you still want to have a stop in place, maybe at 9. But ZAGG, Z-A-G-G, continues to be one to keep an eye on. Volatile trading, we were up 5, we were down 15, we rallied all the way back up 5, and then in the last half hour we rolled over to close towards the lower end of the range. Fitch downgrading Italy and Spain after the close tonight. Moody's talking about putting Belgium on review for a possible downgrade. Europe is not done. It's not settled. If Europe goes ahead and rolls over again, we will roll over with it. So I still believe the path of least resistance is lower. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. And I will talk with you on Monday.